I think it's sufficient to say that the things are beginning to open up. And although we cannot be assured right now of the supply, we can be sure that at least for 45 days we will be all right. I think that we can be fairly confident. We can be confident that after the 45 days, we will still have already arrived here in the Philippines. We will have already a flow of oil, not just one delivery, not just two deliveries, but a flow of petroleum and petroleum-related products. Right now, because of the situation, lahat hinihingi natin. Humihingi tayo ng crude oil. We are asking for, we find if we can find it dahil meron naman tayong refinery. Andyan naman ang Petron that can refine it. Gasolina, diesel, siyempre ang pinaka-importante para dito sa Pilipinas. At ang jet fuel, kerosene at saka jet fuel para patuloy ang lipad ng mga eroplano. So we are continuing to do this. We will not stop. We will not stop this process so that we will ensure the supply of petroleum and petroleum products to the Philippines. And right now, I'm very confident in saying that we have sufficient supply. We will continue to source those supplies. And I do not think that there is a problem. Sa aming analysis, wala tayong problema para sa supply ng petrolyo at saka ng mga petroleum products.